back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and if you don't know me, my name is Aishwarya. And first of all, Happy New Year to all. May all your wishes and dreams come true, and also you guys have a great future. This will be my first video of this year, and I hope you guys support like all the other years you have supported me. And without any further ado, let's just begin with the video. So today's video is all about how I created this DIY candle holder for just $0. You heard me right, it's just $0. So to see how I did that, please keep watching. Take some newspaper and roll it into a thin pipe using a wooden skewer or a bamboo skewer, and secure the end with some kind of glue. So I have done around 27 thin pipes. You can do how much ever you want here, so I just needed 27 of them. All you have to do is take single pipe and roll it into a circular round or a disc shape. I've used some hot glue gun to secure the ends of the pipe so that they don't open, and also use the same skewer to make it into a disc, at least for the initial stage. And then you can just roll it, laying the thing flat on the desk, or you can use your thumb and an index finger to roll it tightly. Be careful when you use the hot glue gun. And also please ignore the background noises. I'm really sorry for that. Now just roll it into a disc until you get your desired diameter. So I had a candle base as my stencil. Make 6 more discs using the same method and let them dry completely before doing anything on them. So these are the discs I'm talking about. So these discs are different diameters. You can do however you want. So I just used these diameters. I really don't have the length, it's just eyeballing. And then all you have to do is glue them together to make them look like a candle stand. I'm so sorry for the background noise. There's a huge rainstorm going on. Once they are glued together, this is how it should look. It is kind of small pedestal, so now you have to just paint them to your desired colors. I have used white and gold and a little bit of black to give that antique gold look. So first I'm priming the whole pedestal with white paint. Once that is done, let them dry completely before applying or doing any design on top of it. So once they are dry, I'm using this baking soda and paint mixture to create that thicker texture paint to add some texture to the pedestal or a candle stand, whatever you wanted. You can keep anything on top of this. Once the paint is dry, this is how it should look. Now it's time to add some jute rope around it. So I have taken three ropes, three set of ropes with the different measurements. Again, this is how you do it. You can totally skip it or add any other decorations to your pedestal. I'm adding a jute rope. And also be careful when you keep the candle. So make sure you have a glass candle and not directly the wax, because it's made out of paper and jute, so it may burn up. Once they are done, this is how it should look. Now it is time to seal the thing using Mod Podge. You can use a sealant as well and let it dry. And voila, this is how it should look. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this DIY as much as I did. If you ever recreate this DIY, please tag me on the Instagram at simplydiy, which I'll be leaving down here and also in the description box for you guys to go ahead and check it out. And also let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you would like to see in the future. Is there anything I have to change or anything like that? And also do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, you guys have a great day. Bye.